Hey Bridget, you did a wonderful job on your screencast. What a great example of how to use screencasts to teach children, or really anybody, in a quick and easy way. And you really did a nice job of working through the five elements that we were looking for. First of all, I want to say thank you for reminding me how to convert fractions into decimals, so that was helpful as well. But also, just did a super nice job. You started off really engaging the students just by, visually being there, and then asking them a question, so that automatically draws them in. You also did a super nice job of telling them what you were going to be doing in this quick little video with regards to converting fractions into decimals. And I loved how you were all set up and ready to go. You switched immediately from your face being featured to the screen. And you did a really nice job drawing. I know it's super hard to draw on laptops with those tools. But otherwise, you also did a nice job with some really engaging commentary, and just the way you walked through, it was very clear what you were teaching the students. And your voice was very clear and calm, so that was wonderful. And the lighting was fine. Usually, I would suggest maybe holding the camera up just a little bit more, so that's just sort of maybe your chest to head up, but otherwise it looked great and it was fine. And there were no really issues. And let's see, I think that was it. That was all I wanted to just compliment you on. And you got it onto YouTube, and hopefully your students will find this useful. And I do hope it's something that you're able to use with your students, especially now when I think having the opportunity to see you and be taught by you still, even if it's through video, is going to be really important for them, their morale, and staying motivated. So just great job. Thanks so much, Bridget.